dangerous.
One of those buckets.
Oh yeah, the skip buckets.
Is that what they're calling these?
Yep. This just looks dangerous.
I think it just prepares the ground, doesn't it?
Yeah, it doesn't look very safe. It looks very dangerous. Ugh.
Are you filming?
Yes. Oh my gosh. Take a look at that bucket. Look at the tracks of the excavator left. That's weird.
Pretty heavy.
Oh yeah. I don't know what the max weight for one of those excavators is, but they're heavy. It really depends on what features you have installed. That's a Hitachi one. It's a different manufacturer. That's a huge mother pin. Dad, see if you can lift this. You can't. Oh, just barely. Yeah, what's this full of? Oh, just aggregate. Yeah, the way these are hauled is there's a hook, a truck that hooks underneath this and it picks it up. Or you can use an excavator to do it. Either way works. Does this one have, oh, I don't see one. Solid steel. Jeez, love. Oh my gosh! I didn't see the hole until now. Oh, it looks like, oh yeah, they're laying pipe. Dad, look. That's what's caked in the track. It's just like it's a, what you call it? A dirt chocolate bar.
Yeah.
You can see the gate mechanism inside. I don't know. Let me see if I can turn this. Like, look inside as I'm turning this.
Oh yeah, it's moving. You want to look inside the lamp?
Yep. Okay, start turning. Oh yeah, you can see it moving. Requires one heck of a big wrench though. Are these metal or plastic? Metal. This is I think actually ductile iron, I think. Yeah. The only difference between ductile iron and gray iron is ductile iron has magnesium in it. The iron mixer. It's bell end to straight end. That's. Yeah, well, you see, these aren't lined up right. Why is there? Is that a? Oh, that's a cap. I thought that was a rim. It's kind of like a. Looks like a bend. See how it's just slightly bent? You see? It's just slightly. It just sounds so weird hearing the lines buzzing. Fresh cutting edge. Oh yeah, you're right. Or they might have just flipped it over. This is a Volvo what? It should say right on the back of the machine. L20G. That is crazy. There's a one, yeah. Just like mine. Just like my Lego one. Those look like shock absorbers so you don't turn the structure too far. Hey Dad, look at this. There, looks like shocks so you don't turn so the structure turns too far.
I bet you,
if you articulate it.
I bet you it's a stopper. There's
Yeah.
probably a switch in there. So if you hit it, maybe it stops it from turning, or maybe it's just a bumper.
It's probably just a
That
bumper.
grease is filthy. It's caked on.
Yeah. Look at that.
I know. Look at that.
Four-wheel drive. Yeah, that's your steering.
Yeah.
That's your drive. Yeah, there's a universal joint right there. Just like what my Lego's got. Just like what my big Lego one has.
Look at the fire extinguisher. What that's about.
Oh. Interesting. Huh, I never noticed that one.